Number 21517. Who's it gonna be? Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Matt here with Flight Sim Guides, and in this video, we're gonna do a couple different things. So we're gonna give away a $20 gift card. If you guys remember right, last week I sent out a quick survey and said, hey, can you guys help me out? Can you guys give me a phrase that you guys would like to see on a t-shirt? And I'll put you guys into a drawing for a $20 gift card from Amazon. We're gonna draw that winner today on this video. So it is a real thing. I am going to go out and get the gift card. Probably not here on the video, but I'm going to go get the $20 gift card and send it out to you guys via email. So hopefully you guys gave me good email addresses. All right, so the other thing we did was we got a bunch of phrases and slogans and sayings and things that we can put on a t-shirt. So I'm going to give you guys the winner, and then we're going to look at the randomizer, and we're going to select a winner. So who's going to get that gift card? So stick around and see if you won the $20 gift card. So real quick, let's look at this. I'm going to pull this over here real quick, first of all. And what we have is a few of the phrases that popped up. We didn't have like a ton of responses. We had 32 responses. So not a lot, but enough to get some ideas of what we were going to do. So we don't have a really large community. We don't have a super large, following or anything. So, I was happy to get 32. I figured I'd get like 5 or something. So 32, I was like, yeah, we got some data. This is amazing. We're going to be able to use this, and you guys are going to be able to help out. And I hope you guys are interested in some of the designs that we're coming up with. So quick update on that here in just a minute as well. But as you guys can see, we had a few winners that were, I would say, I wouldn't say statistically significant, but statistical enough that I think we can make a few t-shirts potentially. And you guys, everybody who put your name in the hat for this, thank you guys so much. Again, stick around, that Amazon gift card's coming up. So straight and level is just a suggestion. I started working on designs for this one already. That was pretty much the number one winner there. I trust lift. Everything else is negotiable. And fly good, land gooder. All right. So the other one that I would say was kind of a runner-up was I get high for a living. Thank you for that. That was all you guys that I have to wonder about, and you're flying. But I like it. I do like that one, and I think that'll make a good design. I might come up with that because I know it says 2, but it was probably more of a 3. So because I added that one in afterwards. So I think there's plenty of room. I think we're going to start out with maybe 1 or 2, and I'm going to start designing some of these. I was going to try to get those out today, but it did not fit into my tech run here. I'm still working on some designs for one. I want to test some of these out. I'm going to get some samples. I'm still kind of figuring out the process of the on-demand prints and everything. Like, I get the process. I set it up, it's all there. But before I start sending them out to you guys, those of you guys who are interested in these t-shirts, it's important to know for me that the t-shirts are actually good quality and that the designs come out pretty good when they actually get printed and back to you guys. So I'm actually going to have 1 or 2 of these sampled, printed, and actually sent out, which might take me another week. So before I was just going to make them and have them ready to go and send them out, but I'm kind of afraid to do that because I'm like, what if it sucks? What if they come out and they're all fuzzy and they just look like crap? And I can't do that to you guys, and I can't do that to me. So you guys might have to hold out an extra week for that. But are you guys ready to do the randomizer and see who won the $20 gift card? I hope you guys are, because so this is really cool. First of all, I actually spent probably a significantly larger portion of my day than I ever should have creating a randomizer here that was kind of cool. So the way that it works, I did not put in duplicates. So if you guys added more than one name to, or more than one slogan to the survey, did not include your email address more than one time. So you guys you all get equally one entry into this drawing for a $20 gift card. Okay. This is it's going to generate the random number, but once we get it, it's actually going to be like, but here you go, this is the winner. And so that's it. So I've already uploaded all the information here, and let's jump into this and see how it goes. All right, you guys ready? Let's spin the wheel. This is the official spin. I've spun this like 1,000 times already just to make sure this thing wins, or make sure that it functions and it works the way that it's supposed to look. But here it goes. It's coming into, we got the numbers going through. God, how cool is this though? Number 2, 1, 5, 17. Who's it gonna be? 11. We have a winner. The winner is X James. Whoever that is, I've got your email address. I'm gonna send you, X James, I'm gonna send you an email address. I'm gonna send you a quick email and make sure that that is a good email, and then I'm gonna send you a $20 Amazon gift card. So congratulations to X James. That is really cool. I will be in touch shortly, and I will talk to you guys soon. I'm still working on designs. I've already got a few designs. I'm not going to share them publicly just yet. I'm going to make sure that everything works out with these shirts, that the designs are good, that everything that we're doing is like, you know, legitimate and on the up and up. And hopefully within the next week, if you guys want to grab one of these t-shirts, which I think you will because they're pretty cool, I'll have one that I'll hopefully be able to sample for you. And you guys will be like, oh, cool, I really want one of those. This is kind of where I'm going. This is, I think, is the best way to support the channel and to support where we're going in the future. I'm really trying to come up with ways that we can engage and create much better kind of systems, a better community for all of us, and still get you guys information that you guys want, and just honestly just have the most awesome aviation and or flight sim community that we could create. So that's what I've got. I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. I will catch up with you guys soon. X James, I will be in touch. Have a good one, guys.